Sure. Welcome to the secret bamboo temple, ninjas. I am Jungle Ninja Kid. A true ninja starts every mission with a quiet mind. Stand tall and become the silent shadow. Close your eyes and listen to the rustle of the leaves. No moving, no talking, just breathing. You are invisible. You are calm, and you are ready. Now, let's build our strength. Step forward and reach your hands high like a bamboo blade. Your body is strong and flexible, just like the bamboo in the wind. Keep your legs steady and your blades sharp. Reach for the sky. You are powerful, you are focused, and you are a warrior of the jungle. Hold it right there. Quick, a mission. Transform into a flying shuriken. Spread your arms and legs wide. You are a spinning star of energy. Reach as far as you can in every direction. Imagine you're zipping through the trees at lightning speed. Breathe in and feel the spark. You are fast, you are bright, and you are unstoppable. Stay wide and strong. To be a ninja, you must have the balance of a jungle cat. Become the crouching panther. Lift one leg and find your balance point. Keep your paws ready. If you feel like you might tip over, just focus on one green bamboo leaf in front of you. Stay still, stay quiet, stay balanced. You're doing a ninja-tastic job. We need to cross the river without being seen. Lift your hips high for the hidden bridge. Push your hands into the earth and stretch your back long. This bridge is strong and secret. Look behind you. Is anyone following? Nope. We're too fast. Breathe deep and feel the stretch in your ninja legs. A ninja must be as strong as an iron staff. Drop down and hold your body perfectly straight. This is the iron staff. No shaking, no moving. Imagine you are a bridge over a secret jungle stream. Keep your tummy tight and your arms strong. Breathe in and out. You are solid, you are tough, and you are a master of focus. Guard the secret message. Step your feet wide for the secret scroll lunge. Stretch your arms out. Imagine you are carrying an ancient scroll that must stay safe. Stay low in your legs like a panther. Look past your fingertips. Focus. You are the protector of the jungle's secrets. Stay steady, stay strong. Get low. We're moving through the tall bamboo in the stealth crawl. Come down onto your elbows and keep your body flat. We have to be super quiet, so the birds don't see us. This builds your secret ninja power. Breathe slow, keep your body still like a shadow on the ground. You're doing amazing, little ninjas. Rise up like a jungle snake. Lay on your tummy and push your chest up high for the cobra strike. Your eyes are sharp and your heart is brave. Look up at the canopy. Feel the stretch in your back. This makes you flexible enough to climb the tallest trees. Take a deep breath. Feel your ninja energy rising. Even the fastest ninja needs to find their center. Sit down and become the Zen monk. This is where we gather our inner light. Close your eyes and feel your breath moving like a gentle breeze through the bamboo. You are calm, you are wise, and you are ready for anything. Take a slow breath in and let it out. It's time to scout the jungle from above. Lean forward and lift one leg for the soaring falcon. Spread your arms back. You are gliding through the mist. Focus your eyes on one stone on the ground to stay perfectly steady. A ninja in the air is as quiet as a feather. Breathe in the mountain air. You are light, you are steady, and you are flying. Quick, we need to cross the koi pond. Lay on your back and lift your hips high for the bamboo bridge. Make yourself strong and stiff like a bamboo trunk so your team can cross safely. Press your feet down and lift your heart to the clouds. Take a deep breath. Feel your leg muscles getting ninja strong. Keep it high. Check your surroundings. Sit up tall and twist your body for the bamboo spiral. Look over your shoulder. Is there a secret scroll hidden in the trees? Keep your back straight like a ninja's sword. This pose helps you stay flexible so you can dodge anything. Breathe in and twist a little more. You're doing great, ninja. We're crossing the Great Lake. Balance on your bottom and lift your legs for the dragon boat. Reach your hands forward. Keep your balance even in the waves. This pose makes your ninja tummy super strong. Breathe deep, stay steady. Don't let your boat tip over. You are the master of the water. Gently sit down and touch your toes. This is the folding leaf. At night, the leaves of the forest fold up just like this, peacefully. Give your muscles a lovely stretch. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, relax just a little bit more. Your body now feels completely light. Now, become a sleeping tiger. Kneel down and lean forward. Gently rest your forehead on the ground. You have worked very hard today. Now is the time to recharge your energy. Imagine that you are a powerful yet peaceful tiger, sleeping beneath the bamboo. Take a slow, deep breath. Lie on your back and lift your legs up high. You are like a moonbeam float drifting in the night sky. Everything feels completely weightless. Feel the magic and focus flowing back into your heart. Stay very, very still, as if you are floating in the air. Close your eyes and enjoy the peace. You are a true ninja master. And finally, we rest as the shadow master. Lay completely flat and still. Your work is done. Your ninja strength is now completely calm. Close your eyes. Listen to the silence of the bamboo forest. You are powerful, you are focused, and you are peaceful. Relax and let your light shine softly. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe now to follow the next yoga exercises.